Hi guys, welcome back to my channel We Review. Today we are going to Nature Lovers Resort. So stay tuned with my channel to bring you an honest review about this place. So guys, when you Google this place, you will get two results which says Nature Lovers Resort and Nature Lovers Inn. Don't get confused, it's the same place because we confirmed this from their reception. So it will take about 1 hour and 40 minutes to reach to this place from Colombo. It has a distance about 76 kilometers. And while we were reading about their Google reviews and the TripAdvisor reviews, we saw many negative reviews about the road where you have to access to this location. So they say there are bumpy rides, the road is not recommended for cars with lower ground clearance, and the road is broken and it's hard to access to this place so much. So we thought of visiting this place and bring you an honest review about Nature Lovers Resort. So let's move and see. Road is not that bad. The only thing is it's not concrete or it's not a carpet road, but access to this place is not that hard. You can go in your vehicle, even if it's a car, you can go. This is located in an isolated hilltop. Location must be good. However, if you search in Google Map, they suggest the road may different from actual. So the best thing is you follow these boards which they have placed about in every 50 meters. So follow the board which says the Nature Lover Resorts, you'll go to the exact place. So guys, finally we are here. So let's park the vehicle and get down. The time is exactly 3 p.m. right now. So let's have some coffee and enjoy this beautiful nature. My husband went to the reception to get some details and to order some tea, coffee, snacks. So until he comes, let me show you the surrounding. I think this is their ground floor where they have a small pool and a restaurant. I guess this is a restaurant. Let's see. So guys, sorry we can't bring you an entire review of this place today because the reception has informed that they are not serving any tea, coffee or snacks for the evenings. They just have the day outing packages and they are not allowing us to go at the middle of the day. So we thought of coming back on a different day and bring you an entire video about this place and an exact honest review about this place, because there are many reviews, many bad reviews about their food, about their service, and so on. Even my husband said the attitude and the service is not so good at the reception. So let me bring you an honest review of this place in future. So we are going to rename this video as The Road to Nature Lovers Resort, as we could bring you only the exact honest review about the road. If you like the video, please press the like button, and if you have any questions, please comment, and if you have not subscribed us, please subscribe us, and don't forget to click the bell button. So until the next video, bye bye.